Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told that you invest $5,000 into an account that pays 3% interest per year, compounded annually. The function below represents the amount of money you have in the account after t years. And the function we're given is the function a of t is equal to 5,000 times 1.03 to the power of t. And we're asked, how long will it take for your investment to double? And at what rate will your investment be increasing at this time? In order to determine how long it will take for your investment to double, we need to determine the value of t, such that a of t equals 10,000. Since 10,000 is equal to 2 times 5,000. So this means that 5,000 times 1.03 to the power of t is equal to 10,000. Which means that 1.03 to the t is equal to 10,000 over 5,000. Which means that 1.03 to the t is equal to 2. So taking the natural logarithm on both sides, we get that ln of 1.03 to the power of t equals ln of 2. So t times ln of 1.03 equals ln of 2. Which means that t is equal to ln of 2 over ln of 1.03. And this is approximately equal to 23.45 years. And to determine the rate at which your investment will be increasing at this time, we need to find the derivative of the function a of t. So the derivative of a of t, a prime of t, is equal to 5,000 times the derivative of 1.03 to the t with respect to t. And since 1.03 to the t is an exponential function in terms of t, then this is equal to 5,000 times the derivative of 1.03 to the power of t, which is 1.03 to the t times ln of 1.03, which gives us 5,000 ln of 1.03 times 1.03 to the t. Now that we have the derivative, we can sub in t equals ln of 2 over ln of 1.03 to find the rate at which the investment is increasing at this time. So the derivative of a when t equals ln of 2 over ln of 1.03 is equal to 5,000 times ln of 1.03 times 1.03 to the power of ln of 2 over ln of 1.03. And this is approximately equal to 295.59. So therefore, It will take approximately 23.45 years for the investment to double, and the investment will be increasing at a rate of approximately $295.59 per year. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.